What is international law? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. This question I get a lot because they all hear I do international things, so logically they assume I do international law. Well, international law by itself is considered to be public international law, the law between nations. Treaties, how judgments can be enforced in another country, or how notarizations could be validated to be used in another country, the so-called apostille. But the daily life of my practice is more related to domestic law in an international setting, as in we help clients in the United States to get their corporate work done, to have them incorporated in a proper way, to make sure that this all makes sense under the German law as well, for example, so that the subsidiary is well integrated into the system of the European holding entity. So by itself, it is domestic corporate law with a certain twist, the twist of international aspects. But international law sounds much more fancy than the explanation I just did. So when I was at a panel this week to talk in front of law students about what international law is, I definitely raised a few questions about what it really means. But at the end, there's a lot of excitement because trade is global, so law needs to follow the trade. And very often we lawyers follow the business leads, as the business leads are the day-to-day transactions, the one who call the shots, so to say. But the lawyers are the one who either need to document it, that payment is made, payment is procured, and at the end, warranty claims are properly done. Maybe in this country, maybe in another country. But again, this would not be international law. It would be the domestic enforcement in each and everybody's country. So if you have a question, let me know. I'm happy to discuss it. And other than that, have a great day.